Hello Farming Revolution YouTubers, great to have a chat with you. Want to just let you know about what's happening next week. David von Pein, aka the Meterman, is an absolute legend in Australia. I know that some of you worldwide would have known or talked to him as well, because he sells books and regenerative farming tools. Well, next week I've got him in the back of the ute, so that will be out on Monday like usual, but I just wanted to let you know that while I was with him I managed to sit down and do 5 separate pieces. One was on the Brix refractometer, the penetrometer, the pH and sap conductivity tests, water infiltration tube, and the microbiometer. And what I want to do is release one of those each day. So there's 5 of those plus the in the back of the ute. So I just wanted to warn you, I didn't want to bombard you with video after video, but it's a tribute to him. He's in his 70s. He's been a massive help, and like I said, he's just been a legend in Australia with regenerative farming principles and practices and tools and help and knowledge, and he's been farming all his life. So it's just a tribute to David von Pein. If you haven't heard of him, well, just watch next week, and these tools that he's using are invaluable. If you want to increase your profit margin, get and have a look at these, because really I don't know how people can farm without knowing what's going on with their plant and with their soil, and these instruments tell you. So enjoy. I just wanted to warn you, prepare you for next week. It's a big week. I'm very, very excited, and I'm loving this channel, and thank you so much to all of you for your feedback and your support and constant sharing. Just keep the message out there, keep sharing, keep talking about Farming Revolution, because that's exactly what we need. This is a platform for all of us. It's not me, it's all of us. Over and out. Enjoy.